Everyone wants a good night's sleep, right? But snoring can turn that dream into a noisy nightmare. So what's the deal with snoring? Snoring is that noisy, rattling sound we hear during sleep. But why does it happen? It all comes down to airflow. When you're awake, air travels smoothly through your nose or mouth and down your throat to your lungs. But when you sleep, things change. For some people, the soft palate and uvula, those parts hanging out in the back of your mouth, can grow a bit too much. When you lie down, these parts can fall back and obstruct the airway. So as you breathe in, air hits these parts and makes them vibrate, creating that infamous snoring sound. So next time you hear someone snoring, you'll know it's just a bit of extra anatomy playing a noisy tune. Sweet dreams.